Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated, and you can authenticate with Face or Touch ID. Next, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a card. This is the only entry point for bank accounts via a linked debit card. Once done, choose to add a debit card by scanning or typing numbers. Make sure the debit card is tied to the savings account you want to use. This links Apple Pay to that bank account indirectly. After adding the debit card, Wallet will prompt bank verification. Follow the bank's choice, text code, banking app prompt, or a short phone call. This step confirms control of the savings-linked debit card, which is why Apple Pay can use that balance. Once verified, go to Wallet settings to set the card as your default for payments or express transit if you want faster checkouts. Make sure the billing address matches your bank records and save changes before finish by testing with a small purchase or using the Wallet app's payment preview to confirm the card authorizes. If authorization fails or the card remains pending, remove the card and re-add it, then repeat verification. Sometimes banks block digital provisioning and need a quick support call. If problems persist, contact your bank to enable Apple Pay provisioning for that debit card. Keep in mind why this works. Apple Pay uses the debit card tied to your savings account rather than adding a savings account directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.